Hope you all are fine. In today's video I'm going to teach you some important words instead of using simple words. So what are the words you need to use? These are the commonly used words in IELTS writing task 2. All you need to do is you just need to replace the simple words you are already using them. You just need to replace your words low lexis to high lexis. In this way you can score much better by writing these words. So this is the list of the words. I'll discuss these words one by one. First word is encourage. If you want to write this word, you can use propel, persuade, motivate, stimulate. If you want to write the word, for example, in your essay, then you can use the word to illustrate, for instance. You can replace the word rapid increase with rampant increase and proliferation. Another word is to reduce. You can use the word curtail, diminish and decrease instead of using this basic word to reduce. Feel unhappy is very low lexis word, so you can use the high lexis word disappoint. For the word begin, you can write commence. For youngsters word, you can use juvenile. Instead of using the word to conclude, you can write recapitulate, to summarize, to nutshell. Another word is but. You can replace this word with however and nevertheless. For the word problem, you can use the word issue and threat. See, for every word I am giving you 2 or 3 more solutions, 2 or 3 alternatives. In this way you can score better. If you want to write the word too much, then you can use the word excess, enormous and significant. At the end is very common word which we use in our essay writing task 2. For this word we can use eventually, ultimately. See, eventually is the better word. If you want to write the word increase, then we can use the word escalate, rise. For people word, you can replace masses, individuals. For word responsible, there is another word that is accountable. If you want to use the word only, then you can use solely, exclusively. For impact word, there is high lexis word that is influence. Very is very low lexis word, then you can use completely, entirely, absolutely, which are the high lexis words. If you want to write show, which is a very low lexis word, then you can use indicate, illustrate, demonstrate and reveal. For the words calculate the value and judge, you can use the word evaluate. Instead of using this word look for, then you can use the you can use the word that is seek. If you want to write the word believe, then you can use the word perceive. You can replace the word pile up with accumulate. Another word is discover. If you want to write the word discover in your writing task 2, or you want to speak this word, then you can use the word deduct. If you want to write the word refresh, then you can use the word rejuvenate. Okay, thank you friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.